Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that's sure to elevate your salad game, the Cook with Color Collapsible Salad Spinner. We discovered this handy gadget online, and we've included the link in the description below so you can check its latest price and availability. Now, let's unpack what makes this salad spinner stand out. At first glance, you might think it's just another kitchen tool, but this is no ordinary salad spinner. It's a multifunctional device that serves as a collapsible bowl and colander as well. This versatility means you can use it not just for drying lettuce, but also as a serving bowl, perfect for those summer gatherings. Plus, it works wonders as a berry spinner too. One of the standout features of this salad spinner is its compact, space-saving design. It's perfect for anyone with a smaller kitchen, whether you're living in an apartment, RV, or just want to keep your kitchen organized. When not in use, it collapses down, making it easy to tuck away in a cabinet or drawer. This is a huge plus for those who value functionality without sacrificing space. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to use. The Cook with Color Salad Spinner boasts a smooth rotating mechanism, which makes washing and drying your veggies a breeze. Just fill it with your produce, give it a few spins, and you'll have perfectly dried greens ready for your next salad. And when it comes time to clean up? No worries. This salad spinner is dishwasher safe, ensuring you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. But what about versatility? This salad spinner is not just for leafy greens. It excels at washing and drying a variety of fruits and vegetables. Whether you're preparing berries for a smoothie, rinsing off fresh herbs, or drying off your salad ingredients before serving, this tool is your new best friend in the kitchen. It accommodates a large amount of produce, making it a practical choice for meal prepping or serving a crowd. So, who is this salad spinner suitable for? If you're a salad lover, this is a must-have gadget for you. But even if salads aren't your top choice, this spinner is perfect for anyone who enjoys fresh fruits and vegetables and wants to make cleaning and drying them easier. It's also a great tool for busy families looking to simplify meal prep. In practical terms, think about those sunny days when you want to whip up a refreshing salad for a picnic or backyard barbecue. Or picture yourself preparing a big batch of fruit salad for a family gathering. The Cook with Color Salad Spinner will ensure that your produce is washed, dried, and ready to serve in no time. And because it's so easy to clean, you won't dread the post-meal cleanup either. To sum it all up, the Cook with Color Collapsible Salad Spinner is a multifunctional, space-saving tool that makes washing and drying fruits and vegetables a quick and easy task. With its large capacity and ease of use, it's perfect for anyone who enjoys fresh produce, whether you're cooking for one or entertaining a crowd. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.